Thanks for having me. My name is Vladislav Chernyshov. I am co-founder and CEO of Dasha AI, and our main product is a fully automated call center powered by Dasha Voice AI platform. So there are decade-wide trends, and we believe that this decade is going to be the decade of conversational AI. Why? Because there is a core truth that businesses spend $1.6 trillion on inbound calls and another $1 trillion on outbound calls. But the problem is that people are actually not built for this sort of work, and we make it easy. So first, you upload existing call recordings. Two, you review those scenarios and start making or receiving calls while a customer still thinks that he or she is still talking to a real person. So when we do that, because Dasha is actually a category-defining platform that allows you to create voice applications that are way smarter than everything that what we have in the market right now, and it still feels like a real human. So we're doing that by our proprietary core technology. So we've built all tech stack in-house. So we have a speech-to-text, we have a text-to-speech, we have an NLP engine, we have a fastest voice activity detection, and we have a first-of-a-kind IDE for creating those voice applications. So right now we're experiencing exponential call volume growth. So Dasha made more than 20 million of calls so far, and we have a usage-based pricing model with volume and committed use discounts. So we're charging per minute. So also we've noticed that it's very easy to switch to Dash and very hard to switch from, and that's why we have a zero logo churn and zero cancellations since inception. So also we have a highly attractive unit economics, and our average ARR is way higher than the same for the average B2B software as a service startup. And in Russia, we are working with almost all major large enterprise companies like Почта России or Megaphone. So in US, we have a very robust sales pipeline and working with a lot of Fortune 1000 companies. And all this because of our team of 70 people, and our scientific research is being led by Dr. Alexander Diakonov, who is a doctor of science and professor at Moscow State University, and he also used to be a Kaggle #1, which means that he used to be a #1 machine learning engineer in the world. So last year we've raised a $2 million seed round led by R2P Ventures, is a venture capital fund that were early investors in Yandex and Datadog. And the true potential of Dasha platform lies in products that could be built on top of Dasha. So for instance, we've built a COVID-19 screener app. So it's a self-service product that could be used by enterprises to pinpoint infection risk and keeping their workforce safe. And in terms of traction during the global pilots, so we've successfully applied for Microsoft Call Cell Ready status. So we've engaged with one of their Ernst & Young partners, and also we've engaged with top US retailers, and Microsoft account executives are helping us to actually facilitate the deal. In terms of long-term vision, so we're starting in 2020 with the platform for developers, and we're aiming towards achieving general conversational AI that could be deployed on any device or a robot in 2024. So thank you very much for your attention.